Alright, push the button in. Now you want to reset. You need 2 flathead screwdrivers. One goes here, one goes here. Stick both in, push this forward, pull it out. Here, release the clips, pull it out. Locate, hold on. Get a piece of tape, stick it on here, pull it up, pull the button out. Stick this in. It's good. Now locate the pin. You gotta flip it this way so you can see it. I do it off screen. Right. After you locate it, it's right here. Pull it out. You hear the click. Now it's reset. Good to go. Put everything back together. You're all set. Have fun.